You ever heard they talk about Warwick Hill? This road now, this next left right here, this is Warwick Road, takes you up to Warwick Hill. Yeah, dangerous ground, people, dangerous ground. And on my left right here, KFC, fast food place, Kingston Fall Cub as me call it. It's a very unique KFC, you know, people, because there's no seating there to dine. Yeah, and when I bring persons out there, and they be like looking around and be like, what kind of KFC is this? You sure it's a KFC? I'm like, yeah. They be like, how come they don't have any place to dine and stuff? What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica. Okay guys, so today's journey will actually take us out to East Kingston. Alright? Yes, people. East Kingston is where we're headed right now. We're currently on East Queen Street in downtown Kingston, and we're heading to the east. Alright? Yeah, we're heading out to east. You know, Dunkirk, Rockford, them places they're out there. Alright? So that's how we are going to venture to right now. Yeah. Alright? And when driving in Jamaica, people, look out for these taxi men. You see this red plate? Once you see this red plate, it's a public passenger vehicle. Alright? They put them on buses, they put them on taxis. Alright? Yes, guys. So look out for them. Them drive bad. Very bad too. And when them bad drive, them cuss you out. Yeah, them cuss you out too. Yep. So this is probably a New Kingston taxi, because this is where they load and they go up the street up there to my left that I just passed, which is, I think, Duke Street. Yeah. Alright, so as I said, we're on East Queen Street and we're making our way out. We're now approaching the Central Police Station, which is on my left. Yeah, which is on my left. If you look, you would see these bricks, this reddish color bricks. Yeah, that's the Central Police Station. It's called Central Police Station because this is actually Central Kingston. And maybe back in the days it was the major police station in Kingston, so they was like, okay, Central Police Station. You know, that's what I think. I haven't like researched, but this makes sense, so that's what I think, you know. It's in Central Kingston, and maybe it was because it's a huge police station, you know, guys. A very huge police station, alright? So yeah. Now we're making our way, as I said, out to East Kingston. And we're gonna see what's happening on the streets while we go there. Alright? this bike, man. You see how they ride, people? You see how they ride? My word, man. People, you see when I tell you that why I say I don't like bikes, and if I was the Prime Minister, I'd ban every bike from this country. Yeah, that's what I would do. Ban them. And as I said, people who do delivery work, you're gonna get a concession to go buy a car. You understand? Yeah. More comfortable road experience for you than on a bike. The sun now bunny and the rain now wet you. Yeah. So we're in the vicinity of the Dunkirk community, guys. On my left hand side right there. Yeah. This area, you know they call it Kirk. Yeah. One of them garrison areas not to be messed with. If you don't have no business over there, don't go over there. And my left here is the Vauxhall High School. Yeah, so if you don't have no business over there, don't go over there. But me saying this doesn't mean that there are bad people, all bad people in there or whatever. As I tell you in previous videos, guys, some of the best and the nicest people they can find. Some of the nicest communities they can find. Garrison people. Camperdown High School is actually on this left turn right here. Yeah. This is the back gate, I think. They want the back fence for it, yeah. But you take the left turn that I passed earlier and get up there. So yes, people, as I was saying, some of the nicest persons you can find and some of the nicest places to be is in the garrisons. I tell you no, I understand. So yeah. And by the way, people, so you could refer to here as East Kingston. Yeah, so we're actually in the eastern part of Kingston right now. Alright? But you know, normally when people say outer east, like they call it outer east. Right? Normally when they refer to East Kingston or outer east, they're actually talking about places like Mountain View, but mostly like the Rockfort area. That's what they refer to as, you know, outer east. Alright? But we're in East Kingston right now. Yeah, we're in East Kingston. Actually on LiQWYD Road, to be exact. Yeah. Very beautiful day, people. Very beautiful. Can't stop stress that. Can't stop stressing people. Yeah. So we're now approaching the intersection of LiQWYD Road and Mountain View Avenue. So this is like lower Mountain View Avenue. You understand the bottom of Mountain View Avenue? Right here. This left turn would be Mountain View Avenue. You know, this road take you up to the National Stadium. Yeah. That mango tree almost covered the traffic light. Mangoes are dropping too, you know, people. Oh my gosh, you have to be careful driving underneath that tree. Yeah. So yeah, people. This is LiQWYD Road. Junior High on my left, and you have the Rockfort Police Station on my right. Yeah, and we're pretty much in the Rockfort community, people. Like, that's the vicinity that we're in right now. You ever heard they talk about Warwicker Hill? This road now, this next left right here, this is Warwicker Road. Takes you up to Warwicker Hill. Yeah. Dangerous ground, people. Dangerous ground. You understand? Very dangerous ground, my people. Yeah. And on my left right here, KFC, fast food place, Kingston Fall Cub as me call it. It's a very unique KFC, you know, people, because there's no seating there to dine. Yeah, and when I bring persons out there, and they be like looking around and be like, what kind of KFC is this? You sure it's a KFC? I'm like, yeah. They be like, how come they don't have any place to dine and stuff? I'm like, just be cool, man. But yeah, this KFC is located in a dangerous place as well to people. Dangerous ground. As I said, very dangerous ground, yeah? Alright, people, so yeah. So this is East Kingston for you. And I'll take you up this street. I think up here they refer to it as Rennock Lodge. I think it will take you to the back of the Jamaica Flour Mills. No, sorry, not the back, but to the gate of the Jamaica Flour Mills, yeah? Yeah, it's still a part of Rockford, but I think, as you know, every community kind of have one bossy name and one little something like one. So it's I think the official name is Rennock Lodge. Alright, I think this is a Rennock Lodge Road, but I'll have the correct name. If it's not this, I'll have the correct name in the top right hand corner, people. Alright, I'll have the correct name in the top right hand corner. So this is actually on my right hand side. Yeah, I would say it's the Jamaica Flour Mills. Yep. Yep, that's the gate on my right. It's the gate on my right, people. And that's another gate, I guess. These gates are, this gate is where the trucks would probably enter into. So yeah, there you have it. A good look. The Jamaica Flour Mills, people. Yeah, so the flour come from where you just eat the dumpling. Right here. Yeah. Yes, people. So I just thought I would just take you for, you know, a little, let you get a little look. And you're looking at, to the right, you're looking at Warwicker Hill. Yeah, behind the hill you have Augustown, people. So the community of Augustown, I'm not sure which specific community is behind there. Somebody from Augustown probably can let me know in the comments. But yeah, and all of these people is part of the Rockford community. So yeah, I don't know, I might be wrong with the name of this road, to tell you the truth. Yeah, I might be wrong, but the correct name is in the top left hand corner. Alright, people? Yeah, forgive me. As I say, I don't venture, like I know a whole heap of places, but not every time the name is gonna be right there on the tip, you know? Like right there on the tip of your tongue. Sometimes you have to research and all of that, especially if you don't live in the area. You understand? But yeah, that's how it goes. So yeah, all of this area is a part of the Rockford community, people. Yeah, see that lovely sea view over there? Yeah. Yeah, I'm feeling that the name here, I have to, yeah, I don't think this is Rennock Lodge main road. So we're just gonna head out to, you know, the Harbour View roundabout. pass on the other side of the Jamaica flour mills, and also the cement factories out there as well. So we're just gonna head out there. Yeah. That's actually a power station over there, like generates electricity. Yeah. And as you know, guys, whenever you're heading to the Norman Manley International Airport, this is the way that you would normally take. So these are the silos now that we were seeing on the other side for the Jamaica flour mills. Alright? I'm always curious, you know, guys, what these silos do. Like, they store stuff in there? I really don't know. I wonder if they store anything or something in there. I don't know. Somebody who have experience and know what's going on, update me in the comment section, please and thanks, alright? Please and thanks. Guys, whenever you're driving on this road, just kind of stay as close to the speed limit as you can, because police are always out here checking, making speed checks and all of that. And yeah, right out here is one of them little feeding ground, as we call it. Yeah, feeding tree. They come and make them money and stuff. You know Jamaican police thing go already, alright? This is now the cement factory, Carib Cement Factory. Yeah, it's on both sides, so on my left and my right. If you notice, there's a lot of dust. Like out here is dusty. If you look to the side, you can see that, you know, it's kind of, yeah. Guys, so we are pretty much approaching the Harbour View community. Pretty much approaching the Harbour View community, guys. On my left here are some housing development. It's called the Seascape. And we're approaching the Harbour View roundabout. So we're pretty much almost at the end of this one, guys. Drove from downtown Kingston. I said we're gonna go to East Kingston. Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, all right? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, all right? And until our next video, stay safe.